Piano, Rhodes, acoustic guitars,
Come and they go, why maybe we, darling, this much I know.
some bass,
My only friend is my one true
shaker.
enemy.
Welcome to another remix production breakdown where I use my little Avid Artist mix and Softwood Console 1, Mackie Onyx 1640i, all the gear in here. Gonna break down the latest single, Love is a Remedy. Just gonna remix some parts just for fun, just 10-15 minutes, and we'll see how we came up with this one. Let's see what's going on. Stick clicks, 3. We cut that out of the final. It's very important though. So start out with this acoustic guitar, and then the piano comes in.
Best ain't enough when you've done your work.
Okay, so we got a lot going on here.
You feel like you're good. Well, I've been there too.
Let's back it up.
Live with the memory.
Let's see what's going on with these guitars here. All right. So that's the guitar, and in the you'll hear in the intro that the piano comes in. Here we go, piano. And then what else is coming in? Then we got some Rhodes coming in, and the bass, and then obviously the drum kit. But let's leave that out for now. And the vocal too, we'll leave that out. So that's kind of the basis of the groove. We got some lead guitars happening here. Let's back it up to that. So many things on here, sometimes it's hard to keep track of all of it. So that's a Gibson Les Paul. Let's just hear that. Let's hear that without some of the other stuff going on. Let's take the bass out. I have that little acoustic guitar. Let me take the pianos out and do that again. Okay, here we go. So we've got this acoustic guitar. Some vibe going on. And the second verse we have that line kicking in. So we have 2 acoustic guitars going on here.
They go, why maybe we, this much I know, been living for much too long with the memory.
Some background vocals, some doubles, vocals.
I know that love is
But the base of the track is the bass piano kind of group. And then now in those instrumental parts, we go into those, we change the chord progression. The chord progression was, 6-4-1-5 or whatever it is, So that's the main groove, right? So we got 6, we're in A. E, we're in E. Troubles come and they go, I may be weak, but darling, this much I know. Okay, and those instrumental parts where we're getting real psychedelic, the actual chords will change. So I'm going to more jazzy kind of chord progression. You can harmonize in thirds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, or or you can harmonize in fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm using those the 4-part harmonies here. I'm using 3-chord G sharp minor 7 to 4-chord A major 7, and at the end go into the C sharp major, which is a major 6 chord, or a 5 of 2, however you want to look at it. But anyways, and then it goes back into. So that's that's the musical structure of the song. So let's hear that little bridge kind of instrumental thing. And if you hear the and then here's that C sharp major. Back to the C sharp minor. So that's the pivot chord or whatever. It's pivoting on that. Anyways, enough music theory. More breakdown. Let's see what's going on. What else is going on in this little instrumental? There's some cool leads going on. What's that? We got a phaser, I think, on that lead. So I've got this, I've got 2 things on this. I've got a auto pan, so the sound's moving from speaker to speaker, and I have a phase. Let me take the phase off, and you'll hear what it sounds like without it. Wait, where is it? Still has it on it. What's going on? I guess I can't take it off. Anyways, that's what I'm doing on there. Okay. Also on those instrumentals, we got some cool organ going on. It's coming. Right. So let's hear that with the guitar. What else we got? Let's hear that again. Some bass in. See, if you take the pianos out of this song and the bass, it really loses a lot. So we only have organ on that part. Drops out for the rest of it. Sometimes I have so many tracks I lose track of where I am. Anyways, so let's see what else we got going on here. Man, that's a lot of tracks. I try to record with as few tracks as possible. Let's see what's going on with the groove. We have a drum kit, and then we have also a shaker comes in, some claps. What's that? That's the overhead here. Let me pull everything down. That'll make more sense. Acapella, baby.
Come and they go. I may be weak, but
nobody wants to hear that. Okay, so we got it all down. Let's see what else. Let's get this groove going. Let's see what the groove sounds like. You know, that kick got edited quite a bit. The kick was kind of crappy. Like that overhead's all right. Okay, so that's the groove. And the shaker comes in a little later on. There it is. And later on we got shaker and claps. under there. Let's hear the bass. Okay, now let's bring in some pianos. I'm just changing the panning on these pianos. What is this? Piano hits, organ. Okay. Where does that come in? Organ, where's the piano hits? Let me hear that. Oh, it's just doing little fills. It's not that important. Okay. You see the funny things that are on these tracks. That's nice. You know? I'm not that good of a piano player. I gotta do the fills separately. Okay, so now we have some organs on the outro here with the guitar solos. Let's hear that. That's the organ. That's organ 1, then we got another organ at the end. Okay. And now let's bring those acoustic guitars, back it up, bring those acoustic guitars. That second acoustic guitar we saw earlier. Let's see. Let's bring that in. Okay, need to put some gain on this vocal. A little loud.
I've been there too. I live with the memory. I live with the pain. Love is the remedy.
I'm just putting some compressors on the vocals, just randomly, just to get some more gain on them. You know, I would spend a lot more time normally fine tuning and tweaking everything, but like this song's already mixed, so I'm not like gonna go through and like make it perfect. But I'm just like getting a rough mix, you know, just getting a vibe so you can hear the different instruments and patches and things.
I've been there too. I live with the memory. I live with the pain. Love is the remedy. 'Cause troubles come and they go. I may be weak. This much I know. Been living for much too long with the memory. Love is the remedy.
Oh,
I know that love is the remedy.
those are both muted. They put some gain on her vocals too. Okay, almost done here. Okay, let's see. Got a few BVs here. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Let's hear those leads. Okay, what's going on with those leads? So we got a solo at the end. Maybe I'll put some compressors on these. I think I mixed everything a little too loud, but we're just gonna live with it. You know, it's not the final mix. Okay. Take the phaser off of that. You hear the difference with and without the phaser? That's without. That's with. I think that's better without it. I think we ended up taking the phaser off of that. Versus. Yeah, it just muddies it up, that phaser. left it on that one. So these leads were split up. The lead and the instrumental part. You can hear how the first instrumental is kind of similar to the second one. That's the first instrumental. Okay, let's get into the vocals a bit.
Come and they go, why maybe we this much I know. My only friend is my one true enemy.
So, what am I doing there? I think I'm just doubling.
My one true enemy.
Doubling. Call and response.
Love is the remedy. Trouble. Come and they go.
Let's hear the breakdown. Let's take it back to that.
Come and they go. Maybe weak, but darling.
Okay, wait. Let's do piano, Rhodes, acoustic guitars.
Come and they go. Why maybe weak, but darling. This much I know.
Throw some bass.
My only friend is my one true
Shaker.
enemy.
That's the acoustic version.
I know that love is the remedy. Because troubles come and they go. I may be weak, but this much I know. Been living for much too long with the memory. Love is the remedy. I know that love is the remedy.
There's those claps.
If you've been hurt by a memory, if you think love is the enemy,
Where'd our lead go? Okay. Now let's bring our lead in.
if you think love is the enemy.
And then the organ comes in here. And then we left that organ to fade out so that we can fade it out into the next track. Well, that's Love is the Remedy. We did the little Pro Tools breakdown, you know. If you want more like this, let me know in the comments what you think of this video. If you have any questions about your own setup or how to record things, you know, I'm here all the time. You can check out this track, Love is the Remedy. It's on Spotify, Apple Music. Please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so that you get notifications. It really helps support the channel. I appreciate it.
You think love is the enemy.